Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a channel on BitChute platform. Just you can go here and type keyword this one BitChute. Then you can go their official website and you can create a free account. Here you can see people are creating content. So just you can find out any content from these tags, scroll down, and here you can see before 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 7 minutes. So a platform where you can share your content and earn money online. So just you can go and start creating your account, and let me add here username. Then now I want to add email and password. Then scroll down, and after that you should accept terms and conditions. Then verify it. After that click here I agree. So now you need to confirm it. You will get email address. Here you can see you will get a verification link in your email account. So just you can go here and click on the link. So email verification done. Now you can go back, then again go and click here sign in button. You can log in with your Google account. So select email, and after that you will be logged in into your BitChute account. Now the next step is you can go here, and after that here you can see create channel. Here you can add username, and then add channel name. Then here you can add a description. Scroll down, and here you can select the category that's required. So I want to select this one. Then scroll down. So you can enable disable comments. Then click here save button. So here you can find out recently active channels on your related topics. Now here you can see these are all the options as you find on YouTube. So you can also go and check monetization options. So you can start creating your content to generate revenue. Here you can see this one. You can check their monetization policies. So you will get 50%. Here you can see this one. So these are the payment methods that are accepted. Now you can go back and start creating your content. So you can go here, and here you can see live streaming platform, and then upload video options. So just you can go and start uploading videos. So you need to add video title, description, and then you can add some tags.